and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
So it's the 9th of November, guys. So let's look at the trades I'm potentially trading today. So first one, this is the Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. We were shorting this yesterday. If you remember on my post-analysis vid, we had a really good trade on this pair. And we are still looking to short this, okay? Again, I think it has movement down to this blue zone, this blue line here at 83.17. Or a second target at 82.42. All right, so let's have a look at the H1 for our execution. So guys, yeah, we need, to be honest with you, I don't think we're going to get a retrace before it hits one of our targets. But hopefully price will retrace to this grey zone, the first grey zone, okay? And then we'll get a bearish candlestick pattern back down to one of our targets, okay? But this trade does have some momentum. I don't think it will retrace. It might. If it does, great guys, we'll get in on this trade, okay? So Aussie dollar yen short. Next one, guys, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Again, we were looking at this from yesterday. We were looking to short this market. And yesterday, again, we had a large bearish candle. Okay, so it hit our target yesterday as well. I'm looking for price to get back all the way down to this blue line here. So 0300 area. All right, so let's look at H1 for execution. So what I'm looking for, guys, is price to get to this first grey zone, really. Yeah, price to get to this grey zone, bearish candlestick pattern. First target is back down to this low. Second target is the blue line from the day chart. Okay, so Aussie dollar, New Zealand short. Third trade we're looking at today is the US dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, so this is the day chart. This first big grey zone, guys, is just showing you there was a lot of chop for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 days. There's been nothing but sideways movement. And then yesterday, you can see yesterday's candle broke out of that zone, broke this low. All right. So now we're looking for a short. All right. And our target is 112.22. This would be our target. All right, but let's look on the H1 for execution. So the H1, guys, yeah, ignore the big grey box to the left. That was the one from the day chart. We're interested in this smaller grey zone. So again, I want price to retrace to this grey area, and then I want a bearish candlestick pattern, and we can take this trade back down to the previous low or our blue line on the day chart. Okay, so US dollar yen short. And finally, guys, we're also looking at the euro against the pound. So this is the day chart. Yesterday, you can see a large bearish candle. Okay, so I think this market could move down to potentially as our first target, 8,520, and for our second target, 8,500. Okay, so there are two targets we should have in mind. Let's look at H1 for execution. So, yeah, what I'm looking for, guys, either in the first grey zone, a large bearish candlestick pattern, or a large bearish candle back down to the first target, or even the second target. You could leave some money on the trade and take it down to the second target. This is sometimes what I do. It could potentially get up to this grey zone here at the top here, but again, we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern to take it back down to the lows. Okay, guys. So, yeah, they're the 4 trades that I'm looking at today. Let's take a look at the news. Okay, guys, so nothing overnight. If we carry on down, these are all GMT times, all right? So we've got some economic sentiment coming out of Germany, which is obviously very important for the euro. We have a 3-star rating at 10 o'clock. We have Lagarde, head of the European Central Bank. She's speaking at 1 o'clock. Okay, so keep an eye out for this if you're in that Euro GBP trade. We have some US figures coming out, some PPI, which looks at inflation. So we've got some 3 stars here at 1:30. 2 o'clock, we have Fed Chair Powell. Obviously, when he speaks, the market listens. So we have that at 2 o'clock. Also, again, Bank of England Governor, when he speaks, the market listens. 3 stars there at 4 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock, we've got the energy outlook. Okay, and that's it for today. So quite a busy day in terms of important news, guys. So if you're in any of those trades, you must be aware of this news coming out. Yeah, you could get out of the trade, or maybe even move your stop to break even or something like this. Okay. All right, guys, so I hope you have a very profitable trading day. If you like my videos, if you could please subscribe to the channel and like and share. And please check out my daily morning analysis every morning, and also my post analysis where I look at the trades we did that day. Okay, guys, have a great day.